Hello everyone, this is Drishti with. Before proceeding forward in the today's video guys, I would first of all like to request all of you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet, so that you keep getting regular updates from Make Web Better. So you all must be wondering that what is going to be the purpose of today's video. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss all the features and functionalities of the free version of One-Click Upsell for WooCommerce. It's an upsell plugin for all the WooCommerce stores. We'll discuss how to install and set up the plugin on a WordPress website, and in the back-to-back videos, we'll be discussing about all its features in details one by one. So if you haven't downloaded the plugin till yet, you can get the plugin from this link for your WooCommerce store. So guys, let's quickly understand the basic definition of one-click upsell for WooCommerce. So what is one-click upsell for WooCommerce? So guys, it's a plugin that helps the online merchants to give post-checkout offers to their customers in just a one click. Now the major advantage of one-click feature is that now your customers need not to add the products in the cart again and again and re-enter the payment details. They can get the upsell products in just a one click. Now let's head over to the main features of One-Click Upsell plugin for WooCommerce. So guys, the first one is that it helps you create the unlimited funnels with unlimited offers. Next, it helps you track the funnel performance with the help of statistical reports. Now in addition to this, you can also track the entire funnel data on Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. So therefore, it helps you have the in-depth analysis about the entire performance of your offers funnels. Next, you can edit the funnels in the sandbox mode all according to your needs and requirements. Next, it helps you have the 3 predefined offer templates with the help of which you can display the offers to your customers in different ways. Last but not the least, with the help of this plugin, you can create the customizable upsell offer pages that will help you show the smart and exclusive offers to your customers and delight them exactly the way you want. So guys, it doesn't end up the features over here. If you want to explore all the features of the plugin, you have to visit the link in the description. Now let's start the demo video and understand first that how to set up one-click upsell funnel for WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress website. So guys, the very first thing that you have to do is move to your WordPress dashboard, and on the left side navigation you have to click on plugins and then you have to click on add new. So this is the section where you have to first of all search for one-click upsell for WooCommerce, and on searching the plugin, the very first plugin that is being appeared over here, you have to click on this plugin. And this is the short description about the plugin, as you can see, and on the rightmost section there is a few details about the plugin. So guys, now you have to click on install now. Now as soon as you're going to click on install now, you will get the option to activate the plugin. So let's activate it. And once you have clicked on activate, you will get to see the plugin over here. So guys, as you can see, the plugin which is one-click upsell funnel for WooCommerce is being appeared over here. And now let's click on settings and head over to the overview section of the plugin. So let me first of all explain you. So guys, first of all, these are the different products which are supported by a plugin: simple products, variable products, and subscription products. So in the free version, you will get the simple products supportable, and in the pro version, there are variable products and subscription products, both are supportable. Now next comes the payment gateway. So guys, these are the different payment gateways supported by a plugin, which are PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net. However, in the free version, only cash on delivery you can provide this facility to your customers. Next comes supported WooCommerce add-ons. So these are the different WooCommerce add-ons that are supported by a plugin. So as in case if you want to switch to the premium version of our plugin right from here, simply you have to visit this option. So this was all about a quick overview about the plugin. Now guys, I'm going to show you what are the different settings that you have to do to enable all its features and functionalities. So let's see how to enable plugin and its functionalities on your WordPress website. So guys, let's click on global settings, and here comes the global settings. So guys, I will be explaining you about each and every setting one by one. These are the different quick settings that you have to do, and so let's do it. And the very first thing that you have to do is you have to enable the plugin right from here. Next comes payment gateways. So guys, you have to set up the payment gateways because you can show your upsell offers to your customers with these payment gateways. In this free version, cash on delivery is supported. So let me show you that how can you enable cash on delivery payment method. So right from here you can enable this option, and then you have to click on save changes to enable this functionality. Next comes skip funnel for same offer. So guys, let me first explain you about this feature. With the help of this feature, you can facilitate your customers that they can skip the current funnel if the same offer has already been appeared in the checkout process or during the checkout process being done by them. So next comes remove styles from offer pages. So guys, if you want to remove the theme and styles from the offer pages, then you have to enable this option. However, this feature is not going to be supported for custom offer pages. So this is how this feature works. Next comes is price HTML format. So guys, with the help of this feature, you can set up the format for price HTML. Now there are two price HTML formats, regular price and then sales price. Then according to your needs and requirements, you can set up the format for price HTML. Next is smart skip if already purchased. Now with the help of this feature, you can facilitate your customers. With the help of this, they can skip the current offer if that particular offer has already been purchased in the previous orders. So this is how this feature you can enable. Next comes global offer product. So guys, with the help of this feature, you can set up the global offer product that can be viewed in the sandbox view of custom offer page. Next is global offer discount. Now with the help of this feature, you can set up global offer discount for pricing of the product in the sandbox view of custom offer page. Now guys, both these two features will not be applicable for the live offers. Next comes upsell actions message. Now guys, with the help of this feature, you can set up the message that will be shown to your customers when they have accepted the upsell offers and when the loader is being run. So you can write the message that you want to show to your customers during that moment. With the help of this, you can add the custom CSS, and now with the help of this, you can set up the custom JS. So guys, this is how you have to enable all the settings. This is how quickly it works, and then you have to click on save changes to enable all the functionalities on your WooCommerce store or your WordPress website. So guys, this was all about the today's video. Now in the upcoming next video, I'll show you that how to work with shortcodes in the one-click upsell funnel for WooCommerce plugin. So guys, I hope that each and everything is clear to you. Now it's time for you to put your queries in the comment section below. We'll feel glad to help you. And now till the next video, thanks for watching as well as stay connected with us.